What is the magic that makes one's eyes sparkle and gleam and light up the skies? That's all I'm gonna say. If you know it, put it in the comments if you know what that's from. Yeah, eat itchy. Choose here. Another McDonald's video. Onion rings, of course. What else? Okay, we're gonna get into these sandwiches in a minute, but I got the big fish and the original chicken sandwich right here, so y'all can see. Okay, we're gonna talk about Burger King in a minute, but I could not resist a Chicago staple, Garrett's. This is a large Garrett mix. It's cheese popcorn. I'm looking at my screen and not looking at y'all. It's cheese and caramel mix. It's a large. Got it after work. I could not resist. I haven't had it in a while. I'll eat a little bit for y'all. Let me. Some large onion rings, and I've got a Sprite. Let's throw a little ketchup on the onion rings. Okay. There's a siren in the distance, which means that Dan-S is nearby somewhere. But let's talk about this big fish. Oh, if you're watching for the first time, welcome. I hope that you like the content. If you like my content and would like to be notified when I upload more content, please sub right there, I believe. Okay, so the Burger King is in trouble. Someone, oh, that's a scream from a child. Because of the size of the Whopper, listen. I thought everybody was already hip to the fact that over the pandemic, they had reduced the size of their Whoppers. But now I don't usually get the big fish, but I feel like this fish was bigger than this. I feel like their fish sandwich was a little bit bigger than this. I could be mistaken, but I did have it. I did ask. I was going to say ask for pickles. No, they put pickles on it. I could have sworn I asked for tomatoes, but maybe if I asked for ketchup and not tomatoes. This should have been more bodacious. And I thought I asked for tomatoes on this. You know what? They finna get a bad review on the DoorDash. Big fish. I don't usually get cheese on it. It's really good with cheese. Anything's good with cheese. Except pancakes. Yeah, I tried it. Don't recommend it. German food review. I was trying to think of his name either in a video or during a live, and I couldn't remember his name. What made me think of him was how he used to eat half of the sandwich for the Americans, for the American fans, and then eat the other half for the German fans. I miss him. How was your, what day is it? Thursday. The night before last, I was so bone tired. The night before last, I'd gotten like 4 hours of miserable sleep, and I don't know how I made it through the day, but I'm glad I did. And in fact, I had to break down because at my new job, they don't have any fucking like flavored creamer, so I had to buy some powdered creamer. I went to the store. I was tired AF last night. When I walked into the building manager saw me. I had like my regular bag that I take to work and two other bags, and I was like, I think she really like, I must have really looked and walked like I was tired. I was. I increased the sleep last night, but we're gonna try to. Why do I act like I don't know what to do with the sandwich? um, Original chicken sandwich. This is for Andrew. You know who you are. He loves when I eat these. He loves these sandwiches, period. Really good with cheese. Mmm. I said all that to say that I think what kept me going a little bit yesterday, for the first part of the day, was having to drink black coffee with no creamer. One of the managers had some sugar packets, and I mean, it was okay, but it still was just like, I do not do black coffee, y'all. And boy, did I come crashing. I only had one cup of coffee. So, Burger King, I just want to say, you know, I love y'all, but y'all gonna have to come correct on that Whopper. We're not in the pandemic anymore. A lot of companies did things that really negatively impacted consumers during the pandemic. Okay. When you're in Chicago, this is probably one of the things you should have. As y'all know, I'm not a fan of popcorn. But I'm a fan of Garrett's cheese and caramel Bix. I don't see it. This bag was, I think, $8.49. So good. For me, and probably for a lot of people, unless you just really like popcorn, this is one of those things for me where I can have this now and won't have it for a long time. Now this fish sandwich is really good. It's not the best fish sandwich I've had from a Burger King, but it's pretty darn good. It doesn't taste fishy, which their fish sandwiches have tasted that way before, like really fishy. But the best fish sandwich I had from Burger King was the one on Western. Oh, right across the street from the movie theater. Oh, I must have just been in the mood for one, and I ordered one. I ordered the special, the combo with the fries and a Sprite. Oh, that shit was so good and hot and fresh. Oh, I'll never forget that. I'll never forget how much I loved that sandwich. Mm. Last bite of the fish. Today, after work, I actually walked around downtown Chicago. I almost got lost. I went a different way home than I typically would go, but usually my neighbor and I would go home together. But he was biking, and I thought, you know what? It's a nice day, and this weekend is going to be, I think, starting tomorrow probably, or maybe starting Saturday. It's going to get really hot. Not like the 100 degrees that we had last week, but oh, excuse me, it's going to get hot. I also just want to say this, and I should have said it earlier on. If you guys would like to donate anything to the channel, or want to see me eat a particular thing, you know I'm in downtown Chicago now, so there are different places to eat. But I have to tell you, I have to wait till the checks kick in because it's really expensive everywhere. The food trucks I hear the food trucks are expensive. I've yet to have anything from a food truck yet, but I hear they're expensive. I think everything in downtown Chicago is just really pricey. But if you would like to donate to the channel, I have a PayPal. Just go to the About section on my channel. You'll see the PayPal link. Or you can super chat me. You know, if you just want to think about the fact that I won't get a check until next Friday, feel free. You are more than welcome. I know a lot of people hate when content creators do that. I don't really care. It's information, boo. You know? You're not the only viewer. There are other viewers who may not know that, who might actually want me to do a particular video. Like, I know one person has been asking me to do Five Guys for, I don't know how long she's been asking. And sometimes I come close to doing it, Shay. Shay, I'm sorry. But then like Burger King just gets in the way, and I apologize about that. Because I really do want a Five Guys bacon cheeseburger. I haven't had it in ages. But I want one with everything on it. And I also want A1 sauce on it. I just wonder how all of that tastes with my usual things. You know, my mustard, mayo, ketchup. I want relish on it, lettuce, tomato, pickle, onion. I want the works on it. Everything but grilled onions or mushrooms. So that's coming, Che. It really is. If you're watching. Cheese on the chicken sandwich is not bad. It has everything. That last bite has a pickle, some cheese, a scant amount of mayo, and I'm just gonna put a little dab of ketchup right there. And I'm gonna put the whole thing in my mouth. Garrett'S, I ain't gonna do y'all no more. Not for the video, at least. That was really good, you guys. I enjoyed that Burger King. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and if you're not subscribed, if you like the content, I'd love to have you as a chubby. And I will see you guys soon. Okay? Take care. Have a good night.